Registration for Railway Challenge 2025 is now open, and we welcome teams made up of undergraduates, apprentices, and young professionals in industry to join us for another fun and exciting year. Starting each autumn, teams must design and build a fully functional miniature 10.25-inch gauge railway locomotive in accordance with a strict set of rules and a detailed technical specification. Teams work on their locomotives and submit updates and reports throughout the competition cycle, leading up to an on-track event at Stapleford Miniature Railway in summer. This is a great opportunity to put your engineering knowledge into practice and gain valuable experience and skills on a project that is as close to real-world engineering as it gets. The deadline for registrations is early November 2024. To register, simply visit our website, complete the form, and join us for the official Team Networking Day on the 27th of November at the University of Huddersfield. We look forward to receiving your team entry. Good luck!